kindergartners. All right, today we're going to be talking, to get our brain started, we're going to be talking about taller and shorter. Okay, remember taller, we show this gesture, and when it's shorter, we show this gesture. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold up some cubes, and then I'm going to ask you a question. You need to listen to make sure you can show me if it's taller or shorter. Okay, so I have my 4 tower and my 1 tower. Is my 1 tower shorter or taller than my 4 tower? Yeah, if I line up the endpoints, we see that my 1 tower is shorter. So I should be saying shorter, okay? Shorter than my 4 tower. 1 is shorter than my 4 tower. All right, are we ready? Here's my next one. I have a 8 tower, right? 6, 7, 8 tower, and I have my 6 tower. Is my 8 tower shorter or taller? There's my endpoints. Is my 8 tower shorter or taller than my 6 tower? It is taller. My 8 tower is taller than my 6 tower. All right, let's do another one. Here we go. I have my 2 tower and my 4 tower. Is my 2 tower taller or shorter than my 4 tower? Yeah, my 2 tower is shorter. Shorter. All right, last one. Are you ready? We have my 5 tower and my 10 tower. Is my 10 tower shorter or taller than my 5 tower? Yeah, my 10 tower is taller than my 5 tower. Good job, kindergartners. All right, today what you are going to need is you're going to need your number bond board and dry erase marker. All right, and I'll meet you back here in a little bit, okay? Kindergartners, I think I told you to get your number bonds, and I actually need this paper again, okay? So we're actually just going to be using the sentence portion of this, but today what we're going to do is we're going to play a game called Gravity, and I'm going to have 8 cubes all together. So in our whole, I want you to write 8 and keep that 8 there because that's going to stay there the whole time. We're only going to be working with 8 today. All right? So I have this really cool mat and I have some water and some land. And what's going to happen is I'm going to drop some space rocks. Are you ready? Some space rocks are going to land in the water and some space rocks are going to land on the land, okay? And we're going to write our number sentence of how they broke up into the 2 parts. One part is the water and the other part will be our land, okay? So I have my space rocks. Are you ready? Oh, my space rocks are gonna fall. Let's see where they go. Oh my goodness, I got lots of space rocks. I'm gonna move them down so that you can see them all, okay? All right. Let's count how many space rocks we had land in water. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in your train, in one of the parts, you're gonna write 5. In the other part, we're gonna write 1, 2, 3. So your number sentence should look like this. We had 8 space rocks, 5 fell in the water, and 3 fell on the land. Okay? All right. We're going to do another one. So go ahead and erase your parts. Remember, leave your whole the same. It will be 8 still. We're just going to come up with new parts. Okay? All right. Here we go. Put my space rocks back in. All right, I'm going to shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Here we go. And, oh my goodness, I had space rocks everywhere. All right, this one's over here. I'm going to bring them up so you can see. All right, let's see our space rocks. Oh, let's see. We have 8 space rocks all together. How many landed in the water? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So on your number sentence, we're going to write 4. And how many landed on the land? 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're going to write 4 on the other. So let's read our number sentence together. 8 is the same as 4 and 4. All right. Go ahead. We're going to do another one. Here we go. Shake, shake, shake. Space rocks are coming down. Here they come. Oh my goodness. Got all my space rocks. Here we go. Whew. It's a lot of space rocks. All right, let's count how many. Are you ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh. So in my number sentence, I'm going to write 8 is the same as 6. And my other part is 2. Okay, go ahead. Write your number sentence. Let's read it all together. Here we go. 8 is the same as 6 and 2. All right. And drop those space rocks again. Put them in. Shake, shake, shake. Here we go. Woo! Space rocks all over the place, didn't it? All right. Let's see. Oh, I think we just did this one, actually. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2. We just did that one. Here, let's do another one. Ready? We'll shake our space rocks some more. Ready? Here we go. Oh my goodness. You know what? Because my space rocks were all messed up, let's see. Oh my goodness. There we go. All right. Here we go. Let's count. We have 1, 2. Ooh, this time we're gonna look a little different, isn't it? So in your number sentence, we're gonna write 2. And how many in the other one? Let's count. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh my goodness. All right, let's read our number sentence. 8 is the same as 2 and 6. Very good. All right. I'll do another one. Here we go. Shake, 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 shake. Here we go. Oh my goodness, I got them all over. Here we go. Oh, there we go. All right, here we go. Let's count. Are you ready? How many did we have land in the water? Go ahead and fill in your number sentence. And let's count how many on the other. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very good. Let's read our number sentence. 8 is the same as 1 and 7. All right, kindergartners. We have come up with so many different ways to make 8. Look at this. Look at all these ways you've come up with. We dropped the rocks and we had 5 in the water and 3 on the land. We dropped the rocks again and we had 4 in the water and 4 on the land. We dropped the rocks again. We had 6 in the water and 2 on the land. We dropped them again. We had 2 in the water and 6 on the land. And then our last drop, we had 1 in the water and 7 on the land. And these are all different ways that we can make 8. All right? So what I need you to do now is I need you to get out your lesson 15 problem set, okay? And we're going to walk through that together, okay? All right, kindergartners, you need to have problem set 15. And I'm going to go ahead and read the instructions, and I'm going to do this one with you, and then you guys are going to get to do these by yourselves, okay? All right, so the first one says, fill in the number sentences. There are 8 fish. 4 are striped fish and 4 are goldfish. So we're going to write our number sentence to go along with that. So how many fish do we have altogether? Okay, we have 8. Remember, this means altogether. So altogether they want 8. Then they want to know, how do we break it apart? Remember, this means and, so these are the parts. So there are 4 striped fish and 4 goldfish. So 8 fish altogether, 4 are striped, and 4 are goldfish. Then they're going to flip it. They want the parts first. Remember, this means and, so we're looking at the parts. There were 4 striped fish and 4 goldfish. Altogether, how many fish? 8. Very good. All right, let's go through our next one. There are 8 shapes. 5 are triangles and 3 are diamonds. If it's hard for your brain to see that, it might be a good idea to pick one color for the triangles to color them, and then pick another color for the diamonds. So Miss Sharon's just real fast going to color the diamonds so that I can see the difference. Make it easier for my brain. All right. So let's write our number sentence. Here's our all together. So first they want to know how many shapes all together. So how many were there? 8. So right, 8 is the same as how many triangles? 5. And how many diamonds? 3. Now, here's our little plus sign. Remember that plus sign means and, so they want the parts first. How many triangles? 5 triangles. And how many diamonds? 3 diamonds. How many shapes all together? All right, we're into our last one. Here we go. There are 6 stars and 2 moons. There are 8 shapes. So first, they want do they want the whole here or the parts? The parts. So we have how many stars? 6 stars. And how many moons? 2 moons. How many shapes altogether? 8. So 5 stars and 2 moons makes 8 altogether. Now they want to know how many is altogether first. 8 is the same as, here's my parts. They want the parts. 6 stars and 2 moons. All right, on the back, we're going to do the same thing. There are 8 shapes. Okay. So let's count how many squares. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 squares. Okay. So right here, they're going to want the parts. So we have 7 squares and how many triangles? 1 triangle. How many altogether? Yeah, it said there are 8 shapes. So we know there's 8. Okay. Then we're going to do it with the whole first. So how many shapes do we have? 8 shapes is the same as how many squares? 7 squares and 1 triangle. All right, for this last one, it says there are 8 flowers. Some flowers are yellow and some flowers are red. So the first thing I want you to do, kindergartners, is I want you to draw 8 flowers, okay? Then I want you to get out a yellow and a red. Listen to Miss Schneider. All of the flowers will be colored, but some are going to be yellow and some are going to be red. Should I have any white flowers left? No, we're going to either color them yellow or red, okay? And then we're going to make a number sentence down here to go with our picture. So we have 8 flowers all together, and then how many did you make yellow and how many did you make red? And then you're going to do the same thing, only we're going to do the parts first, and the whole is going to be at the end. All right? Then at the bottom, it says create your own story and tell a partner. Have your partner draw a picture of your story and create a number sentence to go with it. So if you want to try to do this at home, maybe you tell your mom or your dad or a brother or sister or whoever's helping you with your homework, okay? All right, kindergartners, you have a wonderful weekend and we'll see you next week. Bye.